Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a red bracelet made of snake knot. And so I'm going to show you how to make this type of snake knot first. To make this type of bracelet we need cords around about 2 meters. If you prepare 2 meters, that will be enough length to make this bracelet. You obviously start the middle. Bracelet is this red bracelet is good luck in Chinese culture, in Jewish culture as well. Hopefully it's very stylish as well. Hope it bring you some good luck. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this snake knot. Okay, because if you're a beginner of making knotting can be sometimes really confused if you use one color. So I decided to use 2 color to show you how to do the knot. Then afterwards, when you're familiar, then you can use one color to do the bracelet. Okay, the moment really just show you how to make the snake knot in method wise. Okay, I use a piece of clear tape, just do that. Then what you need to do is make a loop like that, then let this blue coat go through the pink knot, goes through it, then make them close up a bit, then lift it, the blue one up. You can see them here, 1, 2, 3. Then you can go around it and use a blue coat to follow the 1, 2, 3 in, to follow them in like that. They just give a direction where they go. Okay, then you just slowly pull it tight. So you made your very first snake knot. Okay, what you can do now, release it, and you put we're going to work them 2 cords on this finger. So we always will work on all the side string on this side of the string. Okay, so lift up this pink, lift up on this, go have a look, around on your finger like that, and let it go through like that. Then you just pull it tight. Now what you got to do is turn it around, but put the finger underneath it, then let it turn it around. We always work on all the side string. If all the side string is pink, then this loop is going to be blue. If all the side string is blue, then this loop is going to be pink. Okay, then you're going to do turn it around, let it go through. Use this finger, hold it, then pull it tight. And turn your finger around. It's same thing, it just repeats itself all the time. You see like that. Then all the side strings blue, this loop is pink, and turn your finger around. Loop on your finger, then goes through. Then here become 2. If you know the finger, hold it, then pull it tight. then you turn it around. That's this one naturally loose. Then you place it down again. And this side, pink, blue. Turn it around, go in, hold it. And pull it tight. And turn it around again. It's keep repeating itself all the side and go in. When you're familiar with that, it will be a lot faster because it just, you know, when you're familiar with it, you don't really think about it. It just does it really, just like that. Yeah, just needs a little bit of practice. So when you finish it, you have a two color, one side pink, another side blue, and something like that. You see something like that. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to make this adjustable bracelets. Obviously, I got this thing ready early on. You just follow what I show you early on. You have a whole, you got a whole of like that. Then what you need to do, just make a adjustable bracelet. You treat them two as one, just like that. Hold it. They become a sliding knot, like that. Then another side as well. Hold it. Do that. Then your very own, they become adjustable. Your very own bracelet sorter. Then you cut meat. Then you just use marker to seal the end. Then you just made a bracelet. Then obviously, if you want any other color, you can choose whatever the color codes and make it. Hope my instruction is clear. Then and it's clear to follow. Then you like it. If you like it, please put a like on the video. Myself have 10 years of hand made jewelry experience. Please do subscribe with me, subscribe the channel. I hope I will regularly update my channel and show you more exciting videos. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye.